Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Offerup outside the US. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, when I try to open up the Offerup app, I received this message saying sorry, looks like you're outside the United States. And Offerup is currently only available within the United States. So even if you're originally from the US and you went for a travel outside the country, the app is no longer going to be available for you to use. So how to fix this issue? The solution is actually very simple. The solution we have is to use NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can safeguard your digital identity and access geo-restricted content, all while enjoying lightning fast speeds and robust security features. So if you want to use NordVPN, all you have to do is tap onto the link that I left you in the description down below. And it's going to take you to NordVPN's official website, just like this. From here, all you have to do is press onto the Get NordVPN button, and it's going to take you to this page. From here, you want to choose which plan suits you well, whether it is the Basic, Plus, or the Complete. You can see the features of every plan on here underneath. Now, once you get a plan, you will be able to download the NordVPN app that is compatible with your phone device. Once you activate your VPN and choose a US IP address, you're going to be able to run the app from anywhere in the world without facing any trouble or an error message. So that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.